guys, welcome back to the Powder Room with Nikki. Thank you so much for clicking that button to watch this video. Today's video is going to be on something a little bit different. I see y'all liking these different videos. I said that February is the month of extraness. February is the month to be extra. Today is all about this hair. Her right here. Yes, didn't I say this is the month to be extra? Didn't I say that? Yeah, let's get into this hair. Nadula Hair Company reached out to me and asked me if I would share their products with you all. So this is like an initial slash review. So this is how the hair arrived, priority mail. I want to say I got mine within 5 days, but I honestly think it was like more like 4 days. The shipping was super fast. So this is what the box looks like. It just says Nadula 100% virgin hair. It's nice and sleek. And let's go ahead and open it up. Inside you'll find your receipt order, a stocking cap that they provide for you, which is pretty cool, and your actual bundles. 24-inch, 22, 20, and 18-inch are the bundles that I have. And then I have my 18-inch closure here. So again, I know absolutely nothing about hair. I created these two, I guess you can call them braids. So yeah, let's put this wig on. I'm gonna take this dark brown stocking cap. I don't know why, but all the other YouTubers do it, so I'm gonna do it. I did call myself slick in like the very top of my hair. I know you can see it where that tiny part is, but yeah, that was kind of a fail. So once that cap is on, we are ready for the wig. So here is the wig. She was bombly constructed. Here is my elastic band right here. I'm not sure if I even put this on my head the right way, but again, I'm a beginner, so we're gonna learn and go through trial and error together, okay? So this is me just struggling to adjust this wig perfectly. Let me know down below if I need to pull it up more because, you know, we're here for each other. Help us to style, you know? So yeah, this is it. I then go in with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. What I found out is that this stuff keeps my curls intact and the natural curl pattern. And I put this inside of an empty spray bottle. I'm using the Johnson & Johnson Detangling spray bottle. This was completely empty. I just added a little bit of water. As you can see, the consistency is super thick. It's not falling, y'all. So I rub this in my hands and I scrunch it in the bottoms of the hair and all throughout the hair. My robe was coming loose. So yeah, I'm just lightly scrunching the curls in my hands and making sure that the product is evenly distributed. And I don't like a lot of product on the hair at all. I want it to stay bouncy. So again, I do not comb through the hair. I just fluff it up with my hands like you see me doing now. And yeah, play with her, love on her, show her some attention, be extra with her. Look at how full she is. She is so full. I just wanted to show you guys the back. She a whole lot of hair, y'all. We named her Vanessa, by the way. And then, so yeah, so these are the bundles. This is 4 bundles in a closure. And I am 5'10", for all the tall ladies. I'm 5'10", so it stops right at the beginning of my boob. So yeah, it's not too long, not too short. This is definitely like vacation vibes, summer hair. If you're looking for hair that you don't have to, I don't have time. I'm not a hairstylist at all. I don't pretend to be. I really don't have time. So y'all saw how my hair looks underneath here. I don't even know how to braid. So I like things that I can just put on and go. This is it. Let me first tell you guys about the person who also constructed this wig for me. Her name is Camille, and the company she has is Camille Crowns. This is what her box looked like. And I'll have all of her information down below, but she constructed this wig for me. She did put an elastic band on it. I didn't put any got to be gel. I know all the YouTubers do like the got to be gel. I don't have any of that stuff on. I just threw my hair in those fat braids, and not even braids. I don't even know what they call it, y'all. I just threw my hair back and put on a wig cap and ready to go. I did put a little bit of concealer in my parting just to make it, I don't know, everybody else do it, so. Okay, kinky curly hair is gonna be some shedding, but it was not a lot at all. I wish I had pictures of it, but I don't. I wore the wig out last night for date night, and I got a lot of compliments. Y'all are loving this hair just as much as me. Yeah, it does not, it's just so soft, and I don't run my fingers through it, so I can't tell you if it tangles or not. One, because I just don't run my fingers through it. Like, just, you know, it's curly hair. You're not supposed to be able to run your fingers straight through. But it is super duper soft, super flowy, super bouncy. And yeah, she is gorgeous. Call me Vanessa, yeah. She's so full and so pretty. Like, I've been missing out. Nobody was gonna tell me that wigs was like all of this and more. Not just wigs, because I wear a wig, but all my wigs have bangs. Because I've always been afraid to go with the closure, because you can just tell, you know? I don't like that wiggish look. If you all are loving this hair, if you decide to purchase it, let me know. The hair is super duper affordable. Super affordable. I promise y'all I will not send y'all off. This is the only texture that I've ever tried from Nadula, and I am here for it. I am loving it. I would definitely try more textures. I love hair, so why not? Don't forget, Camille constructed my wig for me, and Nadula sent this luxurious curly kinky hair, and I'm loving it. I don't know if it's straightened. One, I don't care to know if it straightens because I'm gonna wear it like this. So all the perks and details will be down below, the website, the hair that I'm wearing, and the links that I have. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair Company, for reaching out to me and collaborating. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like Vanessa or not? Y'all like Kinky Curly Vanessa or not? Let me know. Let me know. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. She out. Look, my shirt all buttoned up the wrong way.